I'll be showing you step by step how to create a blog using the Shopify Dawn theme. And the best part is you're not going to need any external apps or have to pay for anything extra. So let me show you how to create your blog. And we can do so step by step within the Shopify dashboard. So I'm going to start from the homepage here. So first, I'll show you how to create blog posts, and then I'll show you how to add them to your navigation on your store so people can actually find them. So first up, where are the blog posts located? On the left-hand side under content, if I click into that, I can see there's now a blog post section. And here it gives us some overall options. On the top right hand here, we can see add blog post. So if we want to create a new post, we can manage comments and we can manage the blogs. If I click into manage blogs here, we can have sub blogs. And by default, I have this news one created for my store. And in the main page here, I can see all the existing blog posts that I've published. So let's go and add a new blog post, and I'll walk you through how to do so. By clicking add blog post, we go into the blog post creation tool. So to start things off, we have our title at the top. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit to make it easier to see. And then we have our content. So this is going to be where the bulk of your post is. I want to recommend that you write your blog post outside of this editor here, such as in a Google Doc, or you can use AI to write one as well. And then we can import all our items here. So let's give this an example title. And I'm just going to say test content. Now there is an AI tool here to help generate blog content. And I'll just say camping, trip, products, and how to have a great trip. Hit generate there and just keep the output. Now we have our basic editing tools such as changing the heading size, bolding, italics. And if we want to insert images, there's an option to do so here, and video. At the bottom here, we see the previews of what it's going to look like. So this expert is going to be the summary of how the post appears on our homepage or our blog. So this is our store. And below here is our search engine listing. So if someone discovers our blog post through Google or any other search engine, we can see a preview here. We can actually go and edit on what this looks like. You want to optimize this for SEO as well. On our top right here, we can publish this by hitting visible. If we also wanted to schedule it, we could do so within here as well. We can add an overall image. This image might show up depending on our theme. We're not using Dawn when we're showing a preview of our post. So you probably want to set this. We can set the author as well as which blog we want it to appear under. And we went to manage blogs. There was news there before. We could also create a new blog if we wanted to. We can also add tags here just to help give some categorization. Now to finalize this, we just hit save in the top right here. And this option is now going to show to view. So if I click on that, I can see my blog post on my actual site. So it's a quick overview of how you actually create blog posts. And if we want to actually go and add this to our navigation, I'll head to online store on the left-hand side, currently using a version of Dawn. Let's go and customize our theme here. And I just want to get to the edit menu section. So I can currently see I have a bunch of links on the top. So if I click into that, I can see the menu that I'm using. I can see main menu has been selected. So if I click edit here, it's going to open up the menu section, which is also under content in our Shopify dashboard. I want to add a menu item. I'm just going to call this blog. Then I can search for either the overall blogs. Maybe I want it to be the news blog, or I could link to a individual blog post if I wanted as well. It's going to be up to you. If I hit save there, this is now adding it to my top main menu. I could also go back to menus and possibly add it to the footer menu if I wanted to do so. Now to preview this on my store, I can click view your online store, click on blog. I can see the example post that I created. And now I've just clicked back into the overall news blog here, and here all the individual blog posts will show up. In a nutshell, that's the overall process on how to create a blog in your Shopify Dawn theme. It's using the Shopify blog post editor where we can easily go and create blog posts as well as keep them under overall blogs. You can then easily add this to our navigation, making it easy for customers to come and find our site. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different analytics, metrics, and charts so you can start making smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of how your store is performing. Makes it really easy to see what products are doing well and how much money you're actually making. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store and just search for Profit Calc, and then look for this logo in the top left here. So this concludes the video on how to create a blog post in the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this video helped. If it did, smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.